Hi, I'm Edwin, and you're watching Edwin Travels too. And today, with the coronavirus going on, we don't get out a whole lot. We're not doing any day trips. We're not really going out and doing any kind of hiking. All the little events and conventions aren't around right now. So, on one of my adventures going out, in fact, it was the one looking for white gold. I looked down the toy aisle and found this. It's a Lego set. It's about the shuttle, but this is a three-in-one. So with this one kit, I can make three different things. I can make the shuttle, I can make the helicopter with the truck, or I can make this little camper van. Me and camper vans, hiking, camping, perfect. And so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put the shuttle together and then go ahead and try to do some of the other two. All right, so come on aboard and I'll show you what this is like. Um, what I'll do right now is just open the package and show you what's included. Okay, so here's the set that I have. It's the three-in-one with the shuttle, and it has a helicopter and truck, and it also has a little SUV with a teardrop trailer. And this one comes with the shuttle and the transporter. It has 341 pieces, and it's made for people or anybody 7 and above. So I think I hopefully fit that. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put the shuttle together first, and then one of these two, probably the teardrop camper. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this package here up and you can see what comes inside. Put it up here. One bag. Looks like it has a second bag maybe inside there. 2 bags. 3 bags. And an instruction booklet. And inside the instruction booklet, this is what it looks like of how to put it together. Got the creator thing. This tells you what pages you need to go to. This first one is for the shuttle. And so it tells you need this piece, and then we go to step 2. Get these 3 pieces and put them on here, and so on. So you just kind of follow this through here. Step by step, and I'm going to think you're going to have most of them here, use most of the pieces. And this shuttle, wow, the shuttle alone is like, looks like 59 steps. Then you start the truck for the transport the shuttle on, and it looks like it goes to 55 steps, and this is what it should look like when it's done. So here we go. We have all these little pieces here. I'm just going to open them up and pour them out. And this guy, of course, doesn't want to open. There we go. Oh, there's another little bag inside of this one here. So I'm just going to dump them on here because I figure I'm going to go ahead and use them all eventually. I think maybe a good way to do this would be to separate them by colors. That would make it a little easier instead of trying to figure out what part is what. There's another little bag inside of that one bag. So we'll just open that. As you go, I don't know how well you can see it, but there's going to show blue pieces and a black piece, and it's going to also show some white pieces. It's going to be color coded, so it's kind of color coded as you go along. So that's what I'll do. All right, so let me sort this first by color. I'll come back to this. Okay, So right now, I got everything separated by colors. I got my grayish. There's two shades of gray. There's a light gray and a dark gray. My black pieces, my blue pieces, my white. The two different colors of red. One looks burgundy, the other looks red. And then up here, I got my little weird type pieces, mostly glass-looking things that you could see through. These little round things here look like maybe headlights. Got my tires right here. So what I'm going to do is put first couple of steps together, and you can see how it goes. So what I'm going to do first step here is I need one of these black pieces right here that looks like it's a 4 by looks like 10. So it's right here. So that's step one. Step two, we got these two kind of, I don't know, rectangular-ish kind of thing, and I need two of those, and I need a gray piece that's two pieces, or two, I don't know what you call those little nubs. So here's the pieces, and here's the gray ones for the step two, and this is where they go. So look at this here, and then it looks like they kind of go on like this. Just put one there, and then put the other here, and then put the square piece right across the top there. If you guys ever put together models, I used to always put together models. There was a lot of glue involved, and you got these little things that I used to call spider webs in the glue that just got all over a mess. It's a lot cleaner and simple, and that is the first two steps. The third step, I'm going to need one of these gray blocks, it looks like, and a blue one. So here's the gray one, and here's the blue one, and looks like the gray one kind of goes next to the two piece gray one I just put. So it goes like this, it looks like. And then the blue one goes like right against that. If I can get this on, it sticks. And there we go. Little press, fits perfect. So those are the first three steps. And what I'll do is I'll just keep building this, and I'll come back and give you little progress reports of where I'm at, okay? All right, well, stay tuned for the next progress report. So here's the shuttle, made out of Legos, as you can see. Missing some parts. Got the little doors on right here, little Bombay doors, however this opens here. Here we go. So it just opens. So there you go. Missing the engine on this side still right there. There's the thrusters. See, on this side right here, you can see the engines, but it's nothing on that side. So that's what I'm going to be working on in a little bit. But just wanted to give you a little update of what it looks like so far. It's kind of cool. So here it is, the finished space shuttle part. Does look like a space shuttle. Has the engines. I don't know what those two black things on, but something about the engine too. Maybe the exhaust for them. Open it up, and it's got some pay cargo in here, and this is a little arm that goes up and down. This, I guess, is maybe some kind of I don't know, something for the space station. Who knows? But yeah, there it is. Looks pretty cool. So, probably wondering, what am I going to do with the rest of all these parts? Well, now, all these parts are going to be for the truck. That's right, that truck right there. So, let me go ahead and put that together. So, the space shuttle, though, only took about 2 hours to do. I had some breaks in that 2-hour time, so probably a little less, maybe an hour and a half or so. Still just taking my time, not rushing. Looks kind of cool. I like it. Yeah. All right, let's start on that truck. Here we go. So this is about working on it maybe about 20-25 minutes or so. Does it look like a truck yet? It's kind of hard to see, isn't it? But I think this is just mostly the chassis. So I still got to build up the cab on it and put the tires on. That looks like a little trailer hitch back here. So there you go. So what do you think now? Looks more like a truck. Got the axles put on there. Got the smokestacks, oil cooler, air filters, front grille, the windows, little spoiler, the sleeping compartment. Pretty cool, huh? Just see what it looks like when it's completely done. And there you have it, the finished truck. Has all its wheels on, full exhaust pipes, horns at the top, wheels, even mag wheels. Pretty good detail actually for a little model kit here. Kind of pretty much impressive. It even rolls. There it goes. See? It rolls real easy. Yeah. Alright. So, look. Still has some parts left. I wonder what that's for. Got the shuttle. Got the truck. How does the truck move the shuttle? With the trailer. That's what I need to build next, is the trailer. So, here we go. Let's go ahead and build that. So here is the completed set. The truck, the trailer, the space shuttle, and it even has a little satellite popping out. It's a great little fun set to put together, and this is a 3-in-1, meaning there's two other things I can make out of this same kit. Unfortunately, I got to take the space shuttle truck all apart to make the other two. The whole thing, it probably took me about 4 hours to put all three together, which wasn't really bad because I really didn't rush. I was just kind of taking my time. So now what I'm going to be building, turn this the right way, is going to be this little teardrop trailer with the little truck. Got it to the page I need. So here it is, and let's go ahead and I'll show you the first couple of steps, and then we'll go from there, and then I'll give you some updates because you'll probably be bored watching me do this whole thing. Okay? All right, let's go. So I actually kind of cheated because I'm going to build the teardrop trailer and the SUV or the Jeep or whatever they call it now, but I did not take the shuttle apart. I liked it so much that I just wanted to keep it together and put it on a shelf. So I went out and bought another set so I can put together the SUV with the teardrop trailer. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, separated all the colors for basically where, starting off brand new, and we'll see how this goes. All right. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to do the same thing we did last time. We're going to go over the first 4 steps, and then from there, don't want to get bored. We're going to go ahead and just give you some updates as I go along. All right, so the first step here is I need one of these angle pieces and an axle. So it's going to be gray. So here's the angle piece, and here's an axle. And it says put the piece onto the axle. So what I'm going to do, line it up and put the piece on. This one I need to add this flat bar here, which is right here, and put that on just like that. For the third step, I'm going to go ahead and get these two pieces, which one is a 2 and then another axle. So here's the 2 piece. It says put it onto the axle. So I'm going to connect it to the axle. And then from there, I will put it onto here like that. So there we go. It looks almost like something with 4 wheels. And then we go ahead and put another 2 piece on. So here's the 2-piece, and we got to put a black 4-piece, which goes right there. So we have this here. This one looks like it goes like right there, and this little 2-piece goes on right there. So what it does is just keeps building and building as we go along. All right, so let me go ahead and put some more together and go back to a quick update. So build this little car took probably about 15 minutes or so. Looks pretty nifty. I like it. Has little stuff on the roof here, a little roof rack. Tires really roll. Boom, boom, boom. So now you need to go on making the teardrop trailer. And there you have the completed trailer. And that probably took me about 20 minutes to put together. Got the Jeep. And the trailer. They go together. And there you go. Voila. So I had a really fun time building both of these models, the Shuttle with the transport carrier and the I guess Jeep with the teardrop trailer. They both came out of this kit right here. It's number 31091 if you want it. And but like I said, it's a 3-in-1. So for me to get both of these, I had to buy the kit twice. The kit itself ran for about $25. And there you go. So I had a really good time putting these two Lego things together, the Shuttle with the transporter and the SUV with the teardrop trailer. I think they turned out pretty good. Here's the Shuttle with the transporter. Like it. It took about 6 hours for me to build that, but wasn't in any real rush. I'm sure if you're good at Legos or you're the kind that rush, you probably put it together maybe 4 hours or so. And then put together the SUV with the teardrop trailer, and that probably took not quite an hour, maybe 45 minutes or so. Had a really good time. Remember, put both of these together, but it's a 3-in-1, so in order to really just buy one set and build both of them, you have to take one completely apart, because you're going to use those same parts in the one to make the other. So what I did is I just bought two of them, bought two of these. They run about $25 each, and the reason I did that is I liked the Shuttle, the first one I put together. I liked it a lot, didn't want to take it back apart, and I wanted to build the trailer. Alright, so anyways, hope you enjoyed watching me put them together, and I hope you try a couple yourselves. It's a really fun thing to do, and we'll see you at my next adventure. And remember, be humble and kind. Bye bye.